In this episode, we will discuss how strong Bitcoin is. Hi, my name is Rocco, aka Bitcoin's best friend. Having recently returned from a trip overseas, I recalled a lecture I had watched a while back, where the speaker made a point about when traveling in an airplane, one had better hope that the engineer who designed the plane got his figures right. In other words, math and physics are undeniable. They can't be faked. A plane flies because of verifiable science and technology. Bitcoin is the same. Bitcoin soars above all other types of money man has invented because the math and physics of its protocol are verifiable and undeniable. There will ever only be 21 million Bitcoin. They will be mined every 10 minutes or so in an ever-decreasing ratio set to halve every 4 years or so, until the last one is mined in about 120 years. Its stock to flow is fixed and immutable, and this is critically important since one of the concepts that makes a type of money a good store of value over the long term is its ratio of stock to flow. Bad money, like seashells, did not serve people well or for very long, because it was very simple to flood the market with easily attained shells from other beaches. Gold, on the other hand, has proven to be a reliable store of value over the centuries because the ratio of its stock, the amount of it already in people's possession, has always been high compared to the ability to produce more of it quickly, its flow. The term economists use to distinguish this characteristic is hardness. Hard money has a high stock-to-flow ratio. Hard money, like gold, is hard to mine and therefore hard to create. History has shown that societies using a hard type of money have flourished. Unfortunately, in the fiat system we are all living in, money is easily printed and created basically out of thin air. History has shown that societies with weak, easy money have collapsed. Well, guess what? Bitcoin is hard money. In fact, Bitcoin is the hardest money ever because its ratio of stock to flow is determined and controlled by the math and physics behind its unchangeable protocol. Math and physics, unlike the human character, cannot be corrupted. As I've stated in previous episodes, the gold standard and the prosperity it brought failed because its flaws were compromised by unscrupulous, short-term thinking, power-hungry, and flat-out evil people. Bitcoin is harder than gold. Bitcoin can exist everywhere and nowhere at the same time. Bitcoin cannot be captured. Bitcoin, unlike the human character, cannot be corrupted. The prosperity Bitcoin offers the world cannot be sabotaged by the shortcomings of human greed. Please follow me so we can go down the road of Bitcoin discovery together. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And always remember that just like a talking dog, Bitcoin is a miracle.